Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Relativity for eDiscovery step by step. We'll cover legal document review, case management, data organization, and workflow management so you can handle litigation and investigation processes more efficiently. As legal cases grow in complexity and digital evidence multiplies, law firms and corporate legal teams face increasing pressure to manage electronic data quickly, securely, and defensibly. Relativity, a powerful e-discovery platform, has become the go-to solution for streamlining legal document review, data processing, and case management. Relativity helps legal professionals organize case files, perform document review efficiently, apply analytics, and collaborate across teams and stakeholders. Whether you're handling litigation, investigations, or regulatory compliance, Relativity provides the tools to manage high volumes of digital evidence while maintaining speed and accuracy. In this video, we'll walk through Relativity's core capabilities, how they support the e-discovery process, and why legal teams continue to rely on it as a trusted platform. So for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized case workspaces. Relativity creates secure, case-specific workspaces where teams can upload, review, and organize all case documents. Each workspace can be customized with fields, views, and layouts tailored to the case. This keeps all evidence and metadata organized in a single, accessible location, improving collaboration and case clarity. Another key feature is the advanced search and filtering. Relativity supports keyword, Boolean, proximity, and conceptual searches with filters based on metadata, tags, or document content. Saved searches and custom views streamline the review process. This speeds up discovery by helping legal teams find critical documents faster, even in massive data sets. Another key feature is the document review and tagging. Documents can be reviewed using customizable coding panels where users tag files for relevance, privilege, or issues. Features like redaction, highlighting, and comments support detailed review. This enables consistent, accurate review workflows and supports defensible decisions in court or regulatory settings. Another key feature is the technology-assisted review. Relativity includes AI tools like active learning and email threading that prioritize likely relevant documents for review. Mere duplicate detection helps reviewers focus on key variations. This reduces manual workload, accelerates review time, and increases the accuracy of document decisions. Another key feature is the role-based access and security. User roles and permissions are customizable to control who can access, review, or export case data. All user actions are tracked for full auditability. This ensures secure handling of sensitive legal information and supports regulatory compliance. Another key feature is the production management. Relativity lets teams prepare documents for production with redactions, Bates numbering, and formatting options. Productions are logged and export ready. This simplifies the production phase and ensures output meets legal and regulatory standards. Another key feature is the analytics and reporting. Built-in dashboards and reporting tools show review progress, reviewer activity, and tagging trends. Audit trails track every action for defensibility. This offers real-time visibility into case progress and supports strategic decision-making throughout review. So why is Relativity a great choice? Relativity stands out as an end-to-end solution for managing electronic evidence at scale. Its intuitive interface, flexible workspaces, and AI-powered features make it ideal for everything from routine litigation to high-stakes investigations. Whether your team is in-house, at a law firm, or working with external counsel, Relativity provides a secure, compliant environment for efficient legal collaboration. In 2025, Relativity continues to lead the eDiscovery space with enhanced automation, deeper analytics, and seamless integration across legal tech ecosystems. Its cloud-based infrastructure supports global collaboration, while built-in compliance and security standards meet the needs of regulated industries like finance, healthcare, and government. With Relativity, legal teams gain a trusted partner to manage the complexities of modern e-discovery without compromising speed, accuracy, or security. So basically, legal teams today need more than just basic document storage. They need intelligent tools that simplify e-discovery while ensuring defensibility and efficiency. Relativity delivers on all fronts, from secure data ingestion to AI-assisted review to reliable production. So with powerful features and a user-friendly interface, Relativity empowers teams to take full control of their legal workflows. So if you're looking to modernize your approach to document review and case management, Relativity is a smart. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Relativity for legal document review and case management more effectively. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical legal, business, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.